Welcome to LabourAll. LabourAll is an online compliance software which helps you to assess your level of compliance with respect to the labor laws and become further compliant. You could be a factory, a shop or a commercial establishment. In any given circumstance, a wide range of labor laws would apply. It could be the Contract Labor Act, it could be the Provident Fund Act, it could be the Payment of Bonus Act or any other. Labor laws are many in number. Broadly, they can be divided into 4 parts. The largest section consists of the Shops and Commercial Establishments Act, the Minimum Wages Act, National and Festival Holidays Act, the Contract Labor Act and many more. The next largest section is the Factories Act, which is a separate department, also handling the Boilers Act and related enactments. The third is the Provident Fund Department and the fourth being the ESI. On the whole there are 69 to 70 labor laws. At any given time, an establishment or factory would be covered by about 12 to 15 laws. If we take a look at the data from the Labor Department, in the year 2014, from January to December, 239,345 inspections were conducted. About 1,42,498 violations were found. 61,414 rectifications are seen. The reason for rectification is obvious. Either the establishment wished to be compliant, or avoid a criminal prosecution. 14,984 prosecutions are seen. The most important aspect is that 6,982 cases have already been disposed. And more than 90% cases have resulted in conviction. More than 2 crore rupees has been collected as fine. This apart we have the ESI department, the PF department and the Factories department.
Let us take a look at certain factors which affect compliance. Legal language is often very complicated. Even lawyers and judges take time in understanding the true import of sections. Given this situation, we felt that simplifying the legal language into simple sentences would help save a lot of time. Team LabourAll also found that the entire gamut of information in relation to compliance of labor laws are not available in one place. Another notion about compliance is that it's about maintaining registers and filing returns. LabourAll wishes to break this misnomer. LabourAll looks at an in-depth compliance, which is why LabourAll proceeds in the order of the sections in the Act. During manual audits, certain aspects may go unnoticed since it is human to err. That is why LabourAll is computerized. In order to reduce errors, an orderly pattern is followed, and therefore the audit happens in a sequential manner, covering section by section, in relation to compliance, from the start to the end. LabourAll is a specialized software prepared by lawyers with specialization in labor laws. Hence the software ensures that the user need not bother reading the section or interpreting it. Also, legal research tools such as Supreme Court cases and Manupatra are expensive and not available to all. While creating the audit, LabourAll has used these legal tools. Hence the scope for misinterpretation is reduced.
How does LabourAll work? Here is a section from the Payment of Bonus Act. If you see the section, it is incomplete by itself. It further takes you to the 4th schedule. The table below is the 4th schedule. But understanding the table is not so easy. If you see the table, the 5th column shows nil. This means that you cannot carry forward the set on or set off for beyond 4 years. Now let us see how LabourAll has simplified this part. The essence of the section is converted into a simple question. All you have to do is make your choice. Yes or no. Then depending on your answer a report is generated. If you selected yes, the report will tell you please ensure that you don't carry set on or set off for more than 4 years. If you select no, the report makes no remark. We begin by logging into the online portal. Under Compliance Check, you log in by selecting the enactment of your choice. In this case we have selected the Equal Remuneration Act. The screen displays a question and also reads it out for you. Depending on your answer, the next question is triggered. Once you finish answering all the questions, you are taken to the Reports section. You can log in as many times as you want and answer the questions at your own pace. We are mobile and iPad compatible. Also, the portal is available 24/7. Once you generate a report, the section becomes inactive for 89 days. In a year, you can generate 4 reports. The report tells you what the question was, what your answer was, and finally comments wherever required. You can download and print this report for your reference. At present, we have developed central laws, with Karnataka rules, and our target is to cover all Karnataka labor laws by December 2015. We already have the Factories Act, the Shops Act, the Payment of Bonus Act, the Payment of Wages Act, the ESI Act, the PF Act, the Maternity Benefit Act and the Equal Remuneration Act. Very soon Contract Labour Act, Minimum Wages Act and Gratuity Act are going to be added. We trust the demo was informative. You can also see videos under our testimonials section on the website. Additionally, you could also view our brochure, which is also available on our website. Thank you for your time.